We're gonna get some video of you moving around. You're moving all around. Are you moving all around? Yes, when Daddy gets home from Vietnam, he's got a baby proof. We gotta get the baby proofer over. Ooh. Ooh, let's go get a close up. Oh. Okay. Now let's roll him on his back and see if he'll roll back over. Can you gently put him on his back, Mom? Roll him over to his back.
Okay, which way?
No, the other way.
Oh, the other way? Alrighty.
But make it fun. Ah. Oh, there he goes. All right, rolled over. Well done, Callum. Well done. He likes Uncle Alan's toy.
Yeah, he does. That's so cute.
You like that, huh? What's that? What's that? Oh, he's eating. Eating the orange monster. You didn't have enough breakfast, huh? There's this little play area. It's not fenced in yet. Oops. Are you learning your ABCs? Oh, there he goes. Tearing apart his play area. What are you doing, Callum?
Look how smart he is. He knows if he pulls it, he'll pull the whole thing off.
Oh!
Good one. Good one.
Likes his ball. Oh! Uh-oh, where'd it go? Where'd your ball go?
Oh, see, now he's figured out how things come apart and how far things can roll.
Wow, Callum, what do you got there? Yum, yum, yum. He'll eat whatever he can.
He's smart to put that apart.
Oh, he's not going to stop there. So here he is at 8.5 months, destroying his play area, learning how to crawl. What are you doing, Callum? Callum?
Down.
Do you want your ball? There's his ball. Oh, he had a little spit up. Let's see if we can get a little cloth. Oh, he's tired. He's resting. Oh, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Oh.
Oops.
Here. Here, let's move the ball over here.
He's learning how far things are going.
He likes the ball. Oh!
Good one.
All right. We'll leave you to it, I guess.